Alright, today we're in West Allis, Wisconsin. We're working on these condos here. We're actually taking off the ridge vent and replacing with a new ridge vent. They weren't getting any airflow from their attic into the outside, and that attic was heating up. So let's take a look and see what they had over here. This is the ripped off product we've already started on this building here and removed. You can see that it's kind of a cheaper product. It compresses when the shingles are on top. We're replacing them with a stick product, which doesn't compress when the shingles are on top, and it allows for good airflow through this to cool that attic. So we're actually replacing them all on 1, 2, 3, 4 of these buildings, and then they'll have proper airflow in their attic. So let's go up and take a look and see what's up there. Okay, now that we're on top here, you can see we already have our stick product installed. We've removed that old compression ridge, and we cut the space below here that you can't see in the rafters to allow for airflow out. And we've installed our stick product, and now we're installing the ridge over top. You can see here this shingle attaches to the one in front and then seals by our seal strip. It's nailed twice, once here, once there, with a 2-inch nail all the way into the ridge framing. And this is going to allow for a lot more airflow to come. When air passes over this ridge, it actually sucks air out, versus the other one that was just kind of idly passing air through. This actually has baffles that will grab that air suction that you can hear and is actually flowing off